Same thing can be applied here as well. Another thing is, another next C is customer. So you write down top 10 of your customers who give you, let's say, 90% of your business, or top 20 of your customers who are responsible for your 80% business. All right. Make a call to them, speak to them. If possible, go and meet them, because they are the ones who will drive your business. And only if you understand their challenges that they have, why they have not been able to come to you just because of the crisis situation, not been able to come out of the house, what is this, you know. So that's basically, you need to visit them, and you have to know the situation from their angle, not from yours. If you're in a consulting industry, you would have to know it from their angle, not your own angle. So that's the second C is customer. The third C is credit. In these cash strapped times, you need a lot of credit to be given, which most of your vendors, or which most of your vendors are not giving it to you, right? Credit. Now you can visit, what one can do is, you can have asked the banks for an overdraft facility, or some kind of overdrafting for these, for certain time. Of course they will charge you, okay, that you can negotiate, but most banks are open and they are ready to give you, let's say for example, at least ask for a term for a 90 days of credit, or a overdraft facility. All right, so that would basically, there'll be, you will be able to at least run your business, and not bothered immediately for the next 3 months is about how the cash inflow is coming or not. At least one can be having an overdraft facility, most banks provide. Then the fourth C is basically the colleagues, the people that you work with. If you're working single-handedly, don't have a team, then your team is basically your own patients, your own students. So talk to them. All right, they are facing similar situation than that's what you are facing. How are they handling it? Right, it is very important to talk to your own people, talk to your own colleagues, talk to people similar in similar businesses. For example, I can ask Shivani if she's also been taking courses, how she's been handling. Probably we two can exchange notes. Why don't we talk only on WhatsApp? Why can't I pick up a phone and call her? We are all sailing in the same boat, right? So we can talk to colleagues and other things. And the fifth, sorry, there are five C's only. Fifth C is basically communication. Now, how much now, use the social media. Women have no, I don't know what is the